Okay, here I have something growing, which is, it's an East Indian mango tree. East Indian mango tree. It's not very tall. This is about about 8 feet. About an 8-foot tree. Yeah. I think it's about 2 years old that I put the seed in the ground, so it's from seed. It's doing very well, but I need to put a border around this, the root of the tree. I have that to do sometime in the near future. I can't wait to eat some East Indian mangoes, guys. East Indian mangoes are very expensive in my country, very expensive. So if I can get some in my backyard, well, that would be great. This is my other East Indian mango tree right here. This one is younger than the one I showed you before. But this one was grafted. So even though it's younger, it actually started blossoming the other day. And I had to take the blossoms off because I was advised, not to let it fruit because it would probably weaken the plant. So I took the blossoms off, yeah, and just allow it to get stronger, and grow more leaves and thicker stems and bark. So I hope that was a wise thing to do. I really wanted the fruit, but I didn't want to lose my East Indian mango tree. Yes. Okay, what else do I have growing in my backyard? Guys, this is a guava tree. I have had this guava tree for many years. This actually came up by itself also. No one planted it. It's actually fruiting now. Well, we had one set already, and now this is the second set. See, it has a whole lot of fruits. You can see them there. And it's packed with fruits. Guys, they get so big and yellow and juicy and sweet. I'm telling you. I have to share them, guys, because it was too much. Yeah. Okay, here's another tree in my backyard. The famous apple tree. Guys, remember this was being eaten? Do you remember this was being eaten, guys? And I did a video how I took care of the root, put borders around. Guys, I need to clean up the borders again. Look at that. I need to do another one. Yeah, the banana stalks, all those banana stalks, they have rotted, gone into the earth. I think it provided nutrients for the plant, for the tree, so nothing less. But guys, look at the leaves. Look at the leaves, guys. I didn't do an update, but The grasshoppers were eating the leaves, and I sprayed, what was it, garlic water? And I'm telling you, they're doing very well. Look at the leaves, guys. Look at the leaves. Okay guys, these are my papaya trees. They're not doing so well. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the sun or it's the rain that it passed through the other day. I don't know. But there they are. They're not doing so well. I thought they would have been much bigger. But remember the huge one that I showed you? Remember the huge one that I showed you when I was planting the papaya trees? Here it is, guys. It's fruiting. Usually the fruits would just fall off, but it seems that these are staying on. I'm so happy. They are holding on for dear life. I'm really happy about that. So I'm going to be watching it carefully. Okay guys, this is a soursop tree. It's a soursop tree. Really excellent fruit. But guess what's taking it over? Some beans. They decided to wrap themselves around this soursop tree. Guys, you know, they can be harvested. Yes, there they are. They can be harvested. Rice and peas. I'm going to be harvesting them. This is a whole lot. And give this soursop tree a break. Whole lot of peas, red peas. Yeah. Okay guys, do you remember my very first video? My very first video on my YouTube channel was planting my sweet potato. Guys, look at this. It has taken over the whole plot. Sweet potatoes. Very soon the leaves will turn yellow, and I will try to see if there's anything under the soil. Yes, sweet potatoes, guys. Hey guys, here's my soursop. This is the second soursop. This is really tall, extremely tall. It is putting on fruit. Guys, I did not plant this. It came up by itself years ago. Years ago. It is so old. Guys, look. Look at the trunk. Look at it. And it is still bearing fruit. Beside it is a huge almond tree. That came up all by itself. Guys, this land is really blessed, you know? Really blessed. This almond tree came up by itself, and the almonds are so sweet. Another tree that's grown in my backyard is an avocado tree. I need to border the base as well. Need to do all of that. This is also about 2 years old. It was planted with the East Indian mango tree. It's about the same height as the mango. There it is, has a lot of leaves at the top. You don't want them to get very tall at all, so I'm gonna have to prune it sometimes. Okay, I love avocados, they're really healthy. And beside it is the one and only coconut tree. It's very short, but it's doing very well. Okay, so these three, they're beside each other. The mango over there, the pear here, and the coconut here. I know coconut trees take a very long time, but hopefully we'll have some fruit in the near future with this one. Okay, now I'm showing some banana trees, guys. These banana trees, I'm telling you, my grandfather planted the banana trees that are in the backyard, and that's a lot of years ago. The parent plant, my grandfather planted them. I think they're Lakatan bananas. They grow very tall. The bananas are huge and heavy. Yeah, so these have been around for ages. I mean, the parent plant died, but they send out babies, suckers, and suckers keep growing, turning into adult. More babies form, and so on and so on. Over the years, that's been happening. So these have been in the backyard for ages. You can look over there, all the way over there. Over there you can see some more. Right along the fence line, more banana trees.